Okay, at this point, me and M&M showed up for work, and we have completed the first or third part of the process. We've got everything insulated, and if you can hear before, that sound was so loud that it was vibrating through the house. And we've got every nook and cranny fully insulated with high density insulation, R15 factor. But what I do here is that we're going to do the upstairs. But first, we're going to get this part done. So you could shut it, Mikey. So me and Mike have got that part done. Now we're going to do phase four, which is the putting up the wallboard in a nice, neat manner. So check it out. And we're going to show you the process as it goes along. Um, Totally love that you guys are checking these videos out, and we're just going to move forward, all right? All these cool things that we're going to do, this is just the beginning because there's a lot more. Mike, say hi. That's M&M, and we're just moving forward, all right? Talk to you later. Peace out.